Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Discord. You click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.